Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the BLAVOR 10-watt portable solar charger, 5 volts, 2 amp max. It's a waterproof IPX4 foldable solar panel with dual smart USB output, compatible with iPhones, your iPads, your Androids, as I showed in here. These are great for outdoor hiking, camping, backpacking. I usually keep one of these like folded up in my car. It's great for road trips. Say I'm out hiking, or maybe I decide to just do a quick car camping trip and I really didn't plan too much for it and just take the basic necessities, so not to overload my car or anything. These are great to have if you need to get some juice, if you're doing it unplanned or just a little backpacking thing, or you just don't have a lot of space. Anyway, Amazon links will be in the description of the video for this actual product. And like I said, it comes with a USB connection, C connection with it as well. The carabiners are to actually connect it to your backpack or whatever, so you can carry it with you, and you don't have to keep it inside your backpack. You can just use the carabiners and hook it up on the outside of it. It feels sturdy. One thing I really like about it, like I said, is it's wear resistant. The material, the cloth on it feels very wear resistant. It's hard to get dust on it and stay on there. You know, it's got that type of material where you don't have to worry about being all filthy and everything all the time. It's easy to wipe off, all that good stuff. And the cloth itself is water resistant as well. So the weight of this is 13 ounces. 5 volts, like I said, is usually, and that's about average for a lot of these. 5 volts of charge is how 5 watts, excuse me, of charge. 5 volts of charge is what usually is what these will put into it at one time. The little smaller ones like these, I have another one of these I've had for years and years, and they work like a charm. Now, how I'm testing it right now is not how I would charge, because somebody may say this, how I would actually have the Nintendo Switch or whatever I'm charging out of the sun. So it wouldn't be sitting in the sun like this. This is just for the video, so you guys can see that it does charge, and it will charge your products. And I've used these before. So how I usually do it is I hook up, as you can see right here, a power bank, and I charge up my power banks and make sure they're fully charged a lot of times before I even charge the solar panels themselves. This one is real simple to use. Like I said, no issues with it. Like I said, I have an older one and it works great. These are long lasting. My older one I've had, oh gosh, I got it probably 10-12 years ago, I'd say. Yeah, about 10 or 12 years ago, and it still works great. So if you're really interested in one of these, I have Amazon links in the description. You can use this. Also, the solar panel is highly efficient, reaching up to 24% conversion rate of the sun energy. So that's pretty high, actually, especially for something this size. So I firmly believe, yes, it's a 10 watt, and I firmly believe it will charge your products, which I actually tested it for a while doing this. But like I said, also I ended up plugging in my other cable, my own personal one, just because I wanted you guys to see it charging. So I use mine because it's longer. As you can see right there, plugging it into one of my power banks. Like I said, I love these little things. I keep them in my vehicles. They're portable, they're small, they don't take up any room. You want to take off on a road trip, you know, you want to keep them somewhere like for emergency, like in an emergency backpack, a bug out backpack. Keep them at the cabin so you have them. If you don't have power out there, you just need something to keep your stuff juiced up. These are great for that. Like I said, the last one I had lasted over 10 years and still going. So yeah, these are pretty rugged. Great products. It looks good. I like that it has the carabiners with it, so I can hook it onto my backpack when I'm walking, you know, hiking or whatever. And if anything was to happen, I always can have power with me to charge things. Charge your power bank. Charge your Android tablet or phone, iPhone, whatever. Anyway, it's Frugal Panda. I'll leave links in the description on Amazon for this. And once again, this is the BLAVOR 10-watt portable solar charger available on Amazon. Everyone, it's Frugal Panda. Thanks for watching.